Hi, I'm Lisa Goldsmith with Big Ideas Learning, and today I wanted to give you a really great idea for your classroom. Have you ever wanted a class set of whiteboards for students to be able to go ahead and give them a response and show the class the response that they have, but you just don't have a class set of those whiteboards? Well, I have a suggestion today on how you too can have a class set of individual student dry erase whiteboards that's really inexpensive. So let me show you. You can start off with something as simple as a sheet protector. And what you can do is you can insert into that sheet protector any type of math tool paper that you would like. So perhaps you'd like to stick into your sheet protector some number lines that the students can then use to graph or plot some answers. On the other side, you can go ahead and you can insert in a sheet of cardstock so that it provides a little bit of rigidity to the dry erase board that you're making. What's really nice about this is now when you're teaching a lesson, let's say on inequalities, the students can write the problem on their paper, like x plus 3 is greater than 6. You can ask them to work out the problem as you walk around the class to see their thought process. Once they get their answer of x is greater than 3, you then can ask them to turn over their individual whiteboard and graph their solution. So if the solution was x is greater than 3, they can go ahead and they can graph that on their individual whiteboard and then perhaps hold it up to show you what their response is. Now, if you want to go ahead and provide them with a very inexpensive eraser for their individual whiteboards, I suggest that perhaps you go and you buy some handy wipes at your local supermarket. You can go ahead and you can cut them as small as you would like, and then each student gets their own individual so that they can then erase both sides, or whatever side you're using, of their individual whiteboards, and they're ready to go for the next problem. Another type of individual whiteboard that you can have is you can go ahead and make one that has a coordinate grid on one side, or perhaps one that just has graph paper on the other. Honestly, you can put any type of math tool paper in these that you would like, but this is a really great way to provide your students with their own individual student response whiteboard. So I hope you try this and I hope it works for you. Thanks for joining me.